Hi, dear students. Good morning to you all. Welcome you all in English session. Today, in English, we will continue with the same chapter, that is singular noun and plural noun. Okay. In last session, we have learned about singular noun and what is plural noun and when we will add es. Now in this video we will learn more about singular and plural noun with the more rules. Okay, let's start. See the first one. The first one is that when nouns that end in f or fe are made plural by replacing f or fe with ves. Okay, again I repeat, when noun ends with f or fe, then f or fe is changed into v and ves. Okay, ves, v and adding es. Okay, again I repeat, अगर कोई भी वर्ड उसके साथ एंड में एफ या एफ ई होता है तो उसको प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए वी हैव टू ऐड वी ई एस. ओके, for example, let's see the example, then you can get clear more. See, for example, one leaf, many leaves. To change the word leaf into plural form, we will remove the letter F and instead we will add VES at the end, that you can see in the picture. Okay, let's see next example, that is knife. One knife, that is singular, and more than one knife, that is knives. To change the word knife into plural form, we remove the letter F and instead we will write VES at the end. Now let's see second rule. Okay, nouns that ends with the letter Y can be made plural by changing IES to make it plural. Okay. Again I repeat, nouns that end with the letter Y can be made plural by changing Y to IES to make it plural. इसमें अगर कोई भी वर्ड Y से एंड होता है तो Y निकाल के हमें IES ऐड करना है टू मेक इट प्लूरल. प्लूरल बनाने के लिए we will add IES. Okay, let's see the more example. See, butterfly. One butterfly, many butterflies. Okay, so in this, to change the word butterfly into butterflies, we remove the letter Y and instead we will write IES. Okay, you can see in this picture butterfly, the letter ends with Y. So we will remove letter Y and will add IES at the end. Second, lily. One lily, many lilies. So we will remove here again Y and what we will add? Yes, we will add IES. Next is candy, candies. One candy, many candies. So again, what we will do here, remove which letter? Yes, we will remove letter Y and we will add IES instead of letter I. I hope you understood the video and remember the rules. Okay, we have already learned this first in singular plural, second when we have to add es, and in this video we have learned that we have to remove f or fe and we will add ves to make plural. That is rule number 3. And the rule number 4, that is when the word ends with the letter Y, we will remove the letter Y and add IES to make plural form. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.